Organizasyon bence gayet güzel. Bir sürü yabancı pilot var ve bu gerçekten heyecan verici. Aynı zamanda yeni şeyler öğrenip yeni insanlarla tanışıyoruz. Bu yüzden bence güzel.
The race, crazy track. I destroyed too many drones. It's going really good. I'm second on qualifying now, and yes, thank you very much for letting me be here, letting participate, and I really like Turkey.
Etkinliğimiz çok güzel. Yarış devam ediyor. Her şey yolunda. Mutluyuz, gururluyuz, huzurluyuz. Daha başka ne isteyebiliriz ki?
Okay, this race is really great. The track that was built here, it's such amazing. I guess no one in the world cannot make a track like that because it's so historical place, and it's just incredible that the organizers have a permission for build track here, and for pilots it's really wow and perfect to race here because that location it's something that we didn't fly before.